Welcome to Blesd Movement. All right, so today we're going to do a little cute little dance choreography workout, and I want to do a little tutorial before we get into it so that whoever is joining me will not be too confused if they don't pick up choreography quickly. In regards to the season, love and all, this is by a Christian artist named Eris Ford. And she is a Christian R&B artist. I love her music. I encourage you to go and listen to some of that. But right now, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on the chorus part of the song, just so you can kind of have a feel of it and you won't be too confused when we do it. So I don't talk too much. Let's just get straight into it. So the first move is going to be left to right and then right to left. Then we're going to crisscross our arms down, and then our knee's going to pop up with our hands shooting up. Again, left to right or right to left. Crisscross down and then pointing fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from here, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, shimmy your hips here, shimmy your hips there, go all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Speeding it up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to put it all together. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Keep practicing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we repeat it on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. If you feel like you still need to review it, you can go back and kind of just take your time to look over the steps. If you feel like you've gotten it, then let's move right on into the workout. So I hope that gave you guys a little bit of what to expect. Let's get into the video, and I hope this song encourages you along on those who are practicing celibacy and they're trying to honor God with their body, and just, you know, you're trying to follow the scriptures for what it is and what it says. Those of you who are single and still searching, I encourage you to continue to walk in the path that God has laid out. We're going to get into the workout now, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go.
Keep a stand up.
that's a wrap. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me with this little cute dance choreography. I love doing dance choreographies. If you that's something that you would like to see more on this channel, please let me know in the comments below. You guys know what to do, the whole like, shebang, subscribe, comment, share. Also, click that notifications if you want to see more of this content and you don't want to miss it when it comes out. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys know what to do. Stay blessed.